At Balmain, we offer quality tools that make cooking faster and easier. That's why we've designed a colander that's perfect for both home and commercial use. Unlike traditional large hole and mesh colanders, ours features small holes that won't get clogged with food. The tiny, closely spaced holes allow food to drain quickly without having to tilt the bowl. Easily strain beans, pastas, grains, fruits, and vegetables without fear of losing anything through the holes. The draining ring base is stable and won't leave your food sitting in a puddle. And the colander is made of food-grade 18/8 stainless steel. Its heavy-duty construction is designed to stand up to years of use. When you're done cooking, the colander can be easily cleaned by running it through a dishwasher, and its design allows for rapid drying. The colander comes in 2 sizes to meet all your needs in the kitchen. For a professional touch in the kitchen, choose Balmain, quality tools for discerning cooks.